Hi, my name's Jacob. I'm the service manager here at Porsche Fort Wayne. I'm here to talk about some maintenance items. Today we're going to talk about the wiper blades. It's one of the most overlooked items until you realize, shoot, I need wiper blades, and it's usually in the rainstorm. So what I want to talk about is lifetime is subjective to driving and where you're at. Typically we see wiper blades last a year to 2 years. I recommend changing them every year. It's cheap insurance, cheap security. It keeps your vision nice and clear. It keeps your windshield clear. The biggest thing that happens with wiper blades is the rubber strip right here. It is rubber. It does degrade over time. When you think about the dust and dirt and debris that happens on your windshield, this is essentially getting abraded away as time moves on. What will happen is they can start chattering, they can start streaking, they can even start missing completely. In the wintertime, when you use your wiper blades over ice on your windshield, ice is sharp. It'll nick and cut the blade, so it's pretty amazing they last as long as they do. I highly recommend doing it probably once a year, 2 years at most, if you drive your car quite a bit in inclement weather. It's an easy maintenance item to address and something that we're completely ready to do for you. So feel free to reach out if you need us to check them out for you.